session. Our next speaker has spent 7 years in exactly that market, being gold, commodities, forex, and at large the prop trading space. He has generated north of $150,000 through proprietary trading alone. He is indeed a seasoned trader. As brand manager at The Fires India, he's here to demystify the misconceptions and show us what Forex and prop trading actually looks like through his lens. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome me in joining Mr. Samir Gogna.
Good afternoon, guys. I think it is afternoon. Yes, barely. So, my name is Samir, and I'm brand manager at The Fivers, and I am a full-time day trader also. So, I will cover what is misconception in forex and what are the opportunities in forex. So, please, guys, when it comes to the opportunity, I want you to pay attention because I think if you are a day trader, this can be life-changing for you guys. Because I think for me at least, it was a life-changing opportunity. So I'll start now. I don't need this, so I'll just stick with this. Okay. So when it comes to Forex, majority of the people think that Forex is illegal in India, right? How many of you think? Okay. All right. People think forex trading is illegal in India. So let me give you few points that you need to consider if you're trading forex. So first point is when it comes to forex trading, if you are trading pairs other than INR in it, like for an example, you are trading GBP USD or any other forex pairs which is not having INR in it, which is Indian rupees, it is considered somewhere illegal because FEMA Act is saying that. So if you don't know about FEMA Act, you can do research about it. You will know about that because if I cover everything here, it will take a lot of time. So I will just straight up move to the topic, which is how you can trade forex legally in India. Okay. So first thing is either trade INR pairs. You can use your brokers and all these things. Okay. And secondly is, you can use prop firms. I know many of you guys have zero clue about prop firms. It has played a major role in my life because I am a full-time day trader and me coming from that background where I was having nothing basically, because in trading you need capital, right? Because that is the core thing about trading, even in investing. So I'm not really covering that part, investing thing. We have a lot of other mentors here, or you can call it that way. They have covered that part. I will cover the topic trading, especially the prop firm trading. So what is prop firm? Anyone knows? Okay, we'll cover. Any one of you, you can explain me. No one is standing? All right. I'll cover that, no problem. So basically, prop firm is a firm giving you capital and you trade on that. So my light in trading was this only. A firm is giving me capital. Now the only thing is I need skill. Okay? So now the capital is not the issue, the skill is the issue. And majority of people think when if I have crores of money, I can manage the risk in a proper way. If someone gives me so, scenario they create in their head, if I get that capital, maybe I can do trading in a better way. But that is not really the case because there are many human factors which are in the trading. That is the reason why traders are not successful. Similarly, in prop firm, it is not really, you get the capital and you get the profitability. I'm not really saying that. It is just you get the capital to trade, you just need the skill now. So that is the point, okay? So I think do I have the slide? I'll just skip to that slide, okay? I think I don't have that, okay. I'll use this one. So Now, I am from The Fivers. So The Fivers is a company which is giving you capital to trade, and we are here since 2016. Okay? And the second part is the traders who are profitable, we pay them 5 million a month. Basically, $5 million in a month, we pay to traders. And overall in a year, it's $50 million. So now, again, I will refer to the point. You need skill when it comes to trading. And we are here to provide you capital. So we are Israel-based company. Okay, so we have really good history when it comes to prop firm. So that is the legal way to trade Forex in India, because you are working as an individual contractor. You are giving a service to a firm, and you get paid if you make profit in that account. So let me explain you how this model works. Okay, so some of you are new in this. So basically, at the Fivers, you buy a challenge, you pay a fee for that challenge, and there are certain parameters which you have to follow. If you complete those parameters, consider it like a test. Okay? If you complete that test, then you get the live capital, and then whatever you make in that capital, you can receive up to 100% of your profits. Of course, there are certain criteria. The first payout split is 80%. So after that, slowly you grow, you show consistency, you get up to 100% in profit split. It is too good to be true, right? Some of you might be thinking, like a firm is giving you capital, like 80% of the split is yours. Now, again, I'm coming to that point. You need the skill. It is not easy to get that capital. The trading is a skill that requires lot of hours, I would say, lot of experience. It is not a cheat code, you started trading, and then suddenly you receive payouts. So if I cover my journey, I would like to, share my journey also, how I started trading. Now, you know about the prop firms. So why I consider the prop firm, and what was my route? So back in 2019, I started trading. I was very new. It was just day trading thing I was not big into investing. Why? Because I was having no capital. How can I invest? I have to save up money for years, then I can come into that space. So my light was trading only, and I started a job. I'm sorry, guys. I'll drink water afterwards anyway. So I started a job, and oh, we have water. Thank you. Okay, now it's good. So I started job back in 2019. So I came across trading also. It was day trading. I was trading options here and there. I was trading stocks, and I was losing money here and there. So then after 2 years, I came across this term called prop firm. So I was like, I'm losing my own money. What if I buy the challenge, and if I pass that, I can receive payouts. So my light was this thing only. Now I was doing a job also, and I was making myself a better trader basically, so that I can pass the challenge and I can get payouts. Slowly, cutting the story short, I was receiving small payouts, $500, $1,000. So now comes to a point, I made, I think, 30% or so in 2 months because of that experience that I was having. 7 years of experience in trading. So again, guys, this is a huge opportunity for you guys. Okay, if you are seeking for capital, if you have this skill, we are here. We have good history. Since 2016, we are in the business. $5 million we are paying every month to traders like you. 50 million a year, overall we are paying to traders. So that's what I will say. Yeah, it's a huge opportunity. If you have the skill, the capital is here for you guys. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me regarding prop firm, trading, anything. I will not cover the investing part because I'm not into that, so why to cover that topic? But if you want to ask anything regarding to trading, prop firms, how this thing works, you can ask few questions, and I am available afterwards also. So you can ask me there also. Okay, I see hand there.
So, hello Samir. Really glad to see you here in person
Thank
because
you.
I saw you on YouTube, Insta, and you are like our inspiration about in trading. So, I have two questions. So, first of all, a generic one about AI and trading. As Amit sir said,
Okay.
trading AI agent gonna replace trading in future. So what your views on this? Traders like us will be there any opportunity in future for us, or the market will be manipulated by AI agents or something like this?
So I think when it comes to AI, I think it cannot overall take, in the market as I say, if it comes to trading. Because in trading, some decisions are taken by a human. If you leave everything to AI, it can cause disasters. Why I'm saying that? Because we have many market conditions. Okay, so we have impulsiveness coming here and there. For an example, Trump is tweeting something. We don't know when he's going to tweet. So of course it is going to create huge momentum in the market. How the AI will can predict that thing? Of course you can put certain parameters in it. Like for an example, I have to lose, or I can only lose 2% per position. For an example, I can put it that way. So that part, I think AI can help you, like risk management wise, I can say, I think psychology, it completely depend on a human. It cannot make you a better trader, I should say, because psychological decisions AI cannot take. It can take some technical decisions. For an example, you are in a bull market, you are looking for buys only, maybe AI can give you some kind of confirmations. Okay, so here can be a good opportunity, look for these areas. But stop loss placement, all these things, making decisions when to cut out the trade, all these things, I think human decisions are there still. In future also it will stay. Because if the market is moving in one direction, maybe AI can perform in a better way, or any other EA. I will consider AI as a EA only when it comes to trading, because it is expert advisor, right? In Forex, we already have many EAs.
Yeah.
We have risk management EAs also. We have not we have basically, because I don't invent it, but in Forex side you have it.
Yeah.
So I will cover, shortly. So that's it from
About the first question.
yeah, first
And
question.
my second question is some personal one.
Hmm.
जैसे कि आपकी जर्नी के बारे में मैंने देखा है कि आपने काफ़ी बिगनिंग से स्टार्ट किया, काफ़ी ज़ीरो के नीचे से भी स्टार्ट किया और आज आप यहाँ पर हो। तो मैंने भी ट्रेडिंग के बारे में जानता तो था पहले से, लेकिन फॉरेक्स में मैंने लास्ट ईयर से स्टार्ट किया। कुछ अकाउंट भी ब्लॉक किए हैं अब तक, एंड अभी जॉब कर रहा हूँ। तो आप क्या सजेशन देना चाहोगे आगे, जॉब के साथ अभी कॉलेज भी चल रहा है, जॉब कॉलेज ट्रेडिंग, हाउ कैन आई मैनेज एंड बी लाइक यू एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट?
Okay. So you are doing job also. Job you're doing?
या
You are doing job also?
या जॉब कॉलेज
Okay.
एंड इंटरेस्टेड
So
इन
you are
डूइंग
already
ट्रेडिंग।
on a good path actually, because this is what is gonna lead to growth. Okay, so you're on a path of growth only. It is gonna take time, but you are on that path only. You will learn few things. I cannot teach you, I can tell you few things, but you have to experience that thing. You have to make your decision making better. I cannot make decision making better for you. With time, it will happen. You are on the right path. Don't worry. You are doing the job only. Keep doing that. Slowly, things will click. Okay? Because it happened with me. I don't know how I got here basically, but it has happened with me. So I think it can happen with anyone. You are on the right path. Maybe it will take time. Your decision making will get better only with time. You will make wrong decisions. It's okay.
या
With time, it will get better.
थैंक यू फॉर दिस, बट कैन यू गिव मी 3 points to keep in mind for my future success in trading, especially in forex and prop firm tradings? Just
Okay.
3 points.
3 points I will say. First, you need money coming from anywhere, okay? So can be job, can be any other venture you start in future. First thing is, this is very crucial point, because to buy challenge also you need money, right?
Yeah.
Second thing is risk management.
Okay.
I think you don't need third point actually, because the risk management is the most important thing in trading. You can follow any trading strategy. I have made a YouTube video also where I was doing a coin
Yeah.
flip thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I was entering random buying and selling, but I was making some logical decisions. Okay? So with time, your decisions will get logical when it comes to trading, because you might be making unlogical or illogical decisions. I don't know the the word, but anyways. So for an example, you might be selling at a support area. So if you take a loss there, you will learn from that. Your decision making will get better in future.
Yeah.
Okay. So risk management is the first thing, and getting some kind of money from anywhere, can be job, can be business,
For
is
stability.
the second thing.
For mental stability.
Yeah, and with time, it is gonna get better only, your decision making. For some, it take 1 year, for some, it take 5 years. For me, it took 4 years to get my first payout, you know.
Okay, let's see. I am in the
Yes.
first year. Thank you so much.
Thank you to you also. Okay, we'll take one question. Okay?
Do we have time? I'm so sorry. Can we please keep that for the one-on-ones?
Okay. We'll take it afterwards, okay?
Hai na?
I'm here only.
We're going to be breaking out for lunch very soon, so you can ask that to him completely by yourself.
All right. Thank you guys.
so much, Samir. That was very
So I'm here
insightful.
only, so you can ask me question afterwards.